Hello everyone. The next topic that we'll look into is introduction to databases and how we can manage data effectively using a database. So what is a database? So database is a structured collection of data organized in a manner that allows for efficient storage, retrieval, manipulation, and management. So a database consists of tables, rows, columns, indexes, relationship that helps the storage and retrieval of data according to the predefined set of rules and constraints. So what's the importance of database in a business? So databases help in data management. It will help you to store your data in an organized way. It will help you in decision making when there's a lot of data, and that will help you in predictive analysis, future forecasting. It will also help you in operational efficiency. Then you can use it for data integrity. Databases enforce integrity constraints such as uniqueness, so that there is no duplicate data in it. Then comes scalability and performance. So databases are designed to scale horizontal or vertically to accommodate growing volumes of data so that you can feed in more data into a table. Then comes security. So databases implement security features, access control, and encryption mechanism to protect sensitive data from unauthorized accesses and breaches. So coming to the types of databases that are currently available in the market. First, there are two types of databases. One is relational databases and another is non-relational databases, or you can say NoSQL databases. So relational databases are the traditional databases that store data in structured tables with rows and columns. So they use structured query language SQL for querying and managing data. Coming to NoSQL databases, they are non-relational databases that are designed for handling large volumes of unstructured data. So they offer flexibility, scalability, and high performance for modern applications. So coming to the examples of popular database management systems are MySQL. So it's an open source relational database management system widely used for web applications, e-commerce platforms, and content management systems. Then comes MongoDB. It's again a NoSQL document-oriented database that stores data in JSON-like documents. So it is designed for scalability, flexibility, and high availability. So it is commonly used again in big data to analyze real-time analysis, content management, etc. So then comes database designing and modeling. So there is something known as entity relationship diagram. So entity relationship diagram is a visual representation of the relationship between entities in a database. So it can help in understanding the structure of the database and the relationship between different entities. So the components are like there are tables, there are columns, there are relationship between different entities. For example, you can say in a university database, entities include student name, course, and the instructor's name, and what's the relationship between the student and the course, the student and the teacher, etc. Then another term is normalization. So normalization is a process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and to improve data integrity. So it involves breaking down large tables into smaller related tables and then applying normalization to ensure there is data consistency throughout. So if you see, there are different normalization forms. It is known as 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF, etc. So they represent a level of data normalization. So each normal form has specific criteria that must be met to achieve a level of normalization. So for you to have 2NF form of normalization, you will need your data or your table to be in 1NF form, and so on. So coming to data warehouse and business intelligence. So what is data warehouse? So data warehouse is the process of collecting, storing, and managing large volumes of data from various sources to support decision making and analysis. So the purpose of having a data warehouse is like it is a centralized repository for historical and current data, providing a unified view of information for analysis and reporting. For example, a retail company may use a data warehouse to consolidate data from sales transactions, inventory, customer interaction, market campaigns, etc. So now coming to business intelligence. So what is business intelligence or BI? So it's so they are tools or they are software applications used to analyze, to visualize, and to interpret data to support decision making and strategy planning. So what are the features that BI tools offer? It helps in data visualization. It helps you to build dashboards. It helps you to have ad hoc reporting, OLAP, and predictive analysis. So examples like Power BI, Tableau, etc. are few tools or softwares for business intelligence. Now coming to data security again. So why data security is important? Because it helps you in data protection, it helps you to be compliant, and it also give you compliance and trust among the community. So what are the best practices against for data security? It like have access control, have encryption, do patch management wherein like apply updates as and when they are released by the vendor so that you are not prone to data breaches, have backup and data uh, recovery setup so that you don't lose any sensitive data during a downtime. So effective data security measures are essential to protect valuable assets like your data and to maintain customer trust among them, and so that and also you are compliant with the legal regulations that are there in the country. So by implementing a robust security control measures and best practices, organizations can mitigate risk and prevent data breaches and safeguard sensitive information from going out into hackers or going into the hands of unauthorized people. That's all from this topic.